నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, కృత్రిమ మేధస్సు కొత్త పుంతలు తొక్కుతోంది. పెరుగుతున్న టెక్నాలజీని ఉపయోగించుకుని మనిషి చేసే దాదాపు అన్ని పనులు యంత్రాలు చేయగలిగేలాగా తయారు చేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు వైద్య రంగంలోనూ సరికొత్త ట్రెండ్ సెట్టర్గా నిలుస్తోంది ఏఐ. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు అనారోగ్యంగా అనిపిస్తే డాక్టర్ వద్దకు వెళ్లాల్సిన పనిలేదు. బీపీ, షుగర్ నుంచి స్కానింగ్ వరకు అన్ని రకాల ట్రీట్మెంట్లను కృత్రిమంగా అందిస్తోంది. మనకేదైనా జ్వరం వచ్చినా, అనారోగ్యంగా అనిపించినా ఏం చేస్తాం? వెంటనే డాక్టర్ వద్దకు పరుగులు తీస్తాం. సమస్యను బట్టి ఆయా డాక్టర్ను ఎంచుకుంటాం. కానీ ఇప్పుడు హాస్పిటల్ వరకు వెళ్లాల్సిన అవసరం లేకుండానే మొబైల్లోనే మన హెల్త్ అప్డేట్స్ అన్నీ తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఏఐ ద్వారా ఆధారితమైన వినూత్న హెల్త్ క్లినిక్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ను ఇప్పుడు పరిశోధకులు అభివృద్ధి చేశారు. జిమ్, మాల్స్, ఆఫీసుల్లో ఏఐ ఆధారిత కేర్ ప్యాడ్స్ను అమెరికాలో ఈ మధ్య ప్రారంభించారు. ఇక మరిన్ని ఆసక్తికరమైన విషయాలు తెలుసుకోబోయే ముందు ఇప్పుడు నవ్యలో హోమ్ డెకరేటివ్ ఐటమ్స్ చూద్దాం.
Hi everyone, I am Suparna Daruvai. I have a brand called Studio Pottery. We have an artisanal collection of tableware, dinnerware and cutlery. As you can see, I have a wide variety in glass, ceramics, wood and cutlery here. So this is a white and gold salad bowl. It's made of toughened glass, used for modern usage. You can put it in the microwave, you can put it in the grill. This is a starter platter. It can be used for starters, it can be used for desserts, for different purposes. This is our rock platter, which comes with a dip bowl. This is in a grey and a bronze color combination. It has been treated and sampled in very much detail, so it can be directly put in the grill as well, not just the microwave, which is a combination of brown and bronze. Again, it comes with a dip bowl. Can be used for multiple uses. You can serve starters on this, you can serve even the desserts. All this is made for creative and aesthetic food presentation. We also have platters over here. These are the blue color platters, as you can see. These also come in two different sizes. And like I mentioned before, everything again can be put in the grill and the microwave. This is also paired with a small dip bowl of the similar design. We also have things like these for simple uses. These are soup bowls, causeway bowls. It comes with a combination set of the soup spoon and the bowl. And like every other thing on the collection here, can be directly put into the grill and microwave. This is a causeway bowl which comes with the chopsticks like these. And they can be placed very conveniently. They can be placed very conveniently on the bowl this way. We have a lot of cutlery here which is made in stainless steel, because of which all the cutlery that is made, it can be put even in the dishwasher directly. We have about 6 different collections. Wooden placemats along with the wooden leaf trivets. So these are all, everything is individually priced. You can make a mix and match combination and purchase as per your use. These here we have wooden cake stands. There are two. The bottom is a distress finish and you can rotate, and this opens into 2 pieces for easy storage. Now the bottom part is a distress finish, and here we have the natural finish. All the wooden products are made out of good mango wood, and there is no polish on it that you would think that the polish would wear off in the future or in usage. Here we also have some cheese boards. These are lace carved cheese boards. You can use them as platters, you can use them as salad platters, you can use them as cupcake platters. These are our mushroom nut bowls. You can see they have been made with a lot of carving. This is also mango wood. clear glass tulip. Like I have put a few flower petals and a tea light in between. You can use it as a centerpiece for your coffee table, or you can use it for any festivity at your place. This is all multi-purpose, and because it is all handmade, it molded with one piece of glass, you will not see any joint in anywhere. It takes heat very well. You can directly wash it off, doesn't happen, anything happens to it. I have designed all of these and we get them manufactured. Please visit and experience all these beautiful collection. Thank you.
ఇప్పుడు నవ్యాలో చిన్న విరామం తీసుకుందాం.